Am I the only one that has the buckle bulge? You see that? I hate it. I can't wear a shirt that's snug at all because I got this thing sticking out here. But I think I may have found a really cool solution. Let me show you. I found these. These are called the Belt Bro No Buckle Belt. So let's see if they work. Comes obviously as a pair. They come in different sizes. They have different colors. It's Velcro. So you're gonna just put that around your belt loops, and it cinches up your waistband so that you don't need a belt. You no longer have the belt buckle bulge, just a little bit of a belly bulge, but you know, no more belt buckle. It's not obnoxious like it was before. So these are really cool. I like these. So it's pulling these together to tighten the waistband. So if you're struggling with having to pull your pants up constantly, that's gonna help keep them up. And I can wear a snug shirt over the top. These are really cool, and I'm dropping a link right down there for you so you can grab you a pair.